The 2026 Airstream Basecamp is the newest iteration of one of the most recognizable adventure trailers on the market, and it continues to build on Airstream's long tradition of blending rugged usability with sleek, modern design. For anyone considering a compact but capable travel companion, this updated Basecamp offers a lot to talk about, from its eye-catching style to its performance on the road and comfort at the campsite. At first glance, the Basecamp stands out with its iconic Airstream curves, but this isn't just a pretty face. The aerodynamic design isn't only about looking good, it's carefully shaped to reduce drag, making it easier for tow vehicles to handle on highways and mountain roads alike. The polished aluminum shell maintains Airstream's signature durability while cutting down on weight. For 2026, the Basecamp has been refined with stronger structural components and slightly lighter materials, giving owners both confidence and efficiency when towing. One of the key selling points of the Basecamp has always been its size. At just over 16 to 20 feet depending on the configuration, it's small enough to maneuver into tight campsites, yet large enough to provide the comforts that make off-grid living enjoyable. The 2026 version keeps that balance intact, but Airstream has made subtle changes inside to maximize usable space. For example, there's a redesigned seating and dining area that converts more smoothly into a sleeping space, allowing for quicker transitions from daytime to nighttime use. Speaking of the interior, the design really shines in this model year. The 2026 Basecamp features updated upholstery options, lighter cabinetry finishes, and smart storage solutions to help reduce clutter. The panoramic front windows bring in generous natural light, making the interior feel larger than its dimensions suggest. Tech-wise, buyers will appreciate the new touchscreen control panel that integrates lighting, climate control, and monitoring of battery and tank levels in one easy interface. Airstream has also expanded solar power options, which are becoming increasingly important for those who prefer off-grid adventures. When it comes to performance, we're really talking about how well the Basecamp tows and how it handles life on the road. Thanks to its lightweight frame, most midsize SUVs and trucks can tow it without difficulty. The 2026 Basecamp has an improved suspension system that helps smooth out rougher terrain, which is good news for anyone who likes to venture beyond paved campgrounds. Ground clearance has also been subtly improved, making it easier to handle gravel roads and backcountry tracks. While it's not a hardcore off-road trailer, it strikes a good balance between everyday usability and weekend adventure capability. Another standout feature is the flexibility of the floor plan. Airstream knows that not every adventurer has the same needs, so the Basecamp is available in different layouts. Some prioritize sleeping space, while others lean more toward gear storage and open lounge areas. The rear hatch door is a unique element that makes it easy to load bikes, kayaks, or bulky gear directly into the trailer, which is a huge plus for outdoor enthusiasts. On the comfort side, the Basecamp offers all the basics for extended trips. There's a compact but functional kitchen with a 2-burner stove, sink, refrigerator, and optional microwave. The bathroom, while small, includes a wet bath setup with a shower and toilet, something many ultralight trailers leave out. Hot water, heating, and air conditioning systems ensure the Basecamp is livable in a variety of climates. These aren't luxuries so much as necessities for modern camping, and Airstream delivers them without sacrificing efficiency. Airstream has also leaned into sustainability with this update. The 2026 Basecamp incorporates more eco-friendly materials in the interior, and the expanded solar package can now support longer trips without relying heavily on propane or campground hookups. The insulation has been improved as well, which not only helps maintain interior comfort but also makes the trailer more energy efficient in both hot and cold conditions. In terms of unique selling points, the Basecamp continues to appeal to buyers who want adventure without sacrificing refinement. Many trailers in this size class focus purely on utility, but the Airstream adds a layer of style and craftsmanship that's hard to match. Owners don't just get a tool for camping, they get a space that feels welcoming, thoughtfully designed, and built to last. Resale value is also a factor worth mentioning. Airstream trailers, including the Basecamp, typically hold their value better than many competitors, which makes them a smarter investment for long-term owners. Of course, no review would be complete without acknowledging trade-offs. The Basecamp is compact, and that means limited living space compared to larger travel trailers. Families may find it too tight, though couples or solo travelers will likely see it as just the right size. It's also positioned at a higher price point than some other small trailers, so buyers are paying a premium for the Airstream name, build quality, and design. For many, that's worth it, but it's something to consider if budget is a top priority. Overall, the 2026 Airstream Basecamp continues to embody what makes Airstream special: timeless design, practical features, and a strong sense of adventure. It's not the biggest or the cheapest trailer on the market, but it's arguably one of the most balanced, offering comfort and durability in a package that invites you to hit the road with confidence. For travelers who value both style and substance, the new Basecamp is an appealing choice that feels equally at home in a national park or a quiet weekend getaway spot.